Many players trying to play the beta are getting an Overwatch 2 login error telling them they failed to connect to the game server or lost connection to game server. The cause is usually an unstable internet connection or the server is overloaded and under maintenance. So, try out the following methods until you get things right. Firstly, try reconnect again, because the reason behind the Overwatch 2 login error is that too many people are trying to connect at once. Next, make sure your internet connection is good enough to play the game. Besides, try reset your system and network by turn off them, then unplug power cable. Wait for at least 3 minutes before plugging in them again. Turn on your device and try reconnect again. Finally, if you still can't connect to the game server. Unfortunately, this is an issue that we will encounter many times when the game goes live for the first time, and the only way around it is you have to wait for them to get their servers working again. Good luck for the wait.